Okay, so we're ready to take out the air, and I've put coveralls on because this part gets more you use more contact with the wheel and it's dirty. We had valve stem screwdriver thing to take out the valve stem, but we don't know where it is. But we have this one. It's just a cap, and this is whatever. So put it inside there. If I can find it. There's a lot of dirt in there. Now you can hear the air slowly coming out. You have to take the valve stem all the way out. If you got lots of pressure in there, like I usually do semi-tires, that thing will fly so fast. So it's good to have your thumbs or your fingers inside there for when it comes out, and then just remove this. And that's it. That's loose. This is what it looks like. It's a tiny little thing. Keep that for later. You don't want to lose that unless you have new ones. You want to replace new ones. Now you have to get the tire off the bead. Sometimes. How are we going to do this? Okay, I need some long screwdrivers, or if you actually have the real tools, which I don't. I just have big screwdrivers. I'm actually going to put some tire lube on there. It's called bead lube. And we use it for semis, but it should work. Get the tire nice and slippery. Get it to move nice. Okay, so in the tire area. When you try and get this under, you want to put pressure on the other side so that the tire kind of bulges. Actually, I want to tension